I'm actually on my way to the market, and I'm not even going to do anything serious really. I'm just going to buy palm oil. So my palm oil is finished and I have to make soup today, so I'm rushing off to the market. It's a bit far. The market is a bit far. I don't buy in my area because, guys, let me know in the comment section if you've ever bought oil and the oil just messed up your whole food, your whole soup, whatever you're making with oil. Like, and my kids are very, very non-oily, don't like palm oil, so I try to use the best of the best that I can find in the market or just find anywhere, because guys, if you use even the best of the best, they'll still be doing talk more of like when you use whack. So yeah, in Abuja it's very common to find whack granite and palm oil everywhere, and farm, like I can't deal. And the worst is that you buy the same price you buy the original. So my customer, I just noticed that she sells really nice oil and I'm going to go and buy from her, even though hers has become really expensive. My mother-in-law even said she's going to call someone in the village so that they can bring for me. So like, I'm super happy, you know. But the last time I bought this bottle, this is 4 liters, I bought it about 4 or 5, I'm not sure, but between 4,000, like it's not up to 5,000, but it's between 4,000 to 5,000. That's how much I bought this small one. I don't know if my customer wants to use me and open office, so I don't know, but yeah. So today I'm going to be like showing you guys how much I spend in a day. This video is it's not to boast or to not boast, it's just for fun. There's something I have to do today, guys. My ATMs are all expired. It's been difficult for me, so I have to go to all those POS people and then transfer, and they will give me money. So I have to take a bit of money. I'll show you guys how much I'm going to be spending throughout today, from just like as I'm leaving this house. And also let me know in the comment section, am I the only one that the moment you leave your house, there's no day you would leave your house you won't spend money? Let me know if anybody has done it before. You just left your house, you didn't spend money. I don't even know how you want to do it, whether you come here, I don't know, you trek, I don't know, but let me know in the comment section if you do that. And then let's go. Let's go. I feel like it has gone. You sent me an email.
Yeah, that means network.
It has gone. Huh?
Something.
Deka here.
Yes.
It has gone.
Even the 20K they sent
from Zenith. You don't have a 1,000. You don't have strength.
It's not up to that.
Adi, you have other money. Adi, I don't have strength. As in, I don't have strength to count money. But don't you prefer this 500? I don't have strength to count money.
So I don't even count me like is it
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take. Give me 500 or any other money. This money is done.
500.
2.
But the money is complete. Right?
Yes, it's complete. Thank you. You don't get full. You don't full. It's actually 3,690. 3,690. I was going to I thought it was going to be more than that anyways, because I normally would buy 5K anytime I buy, just to really be on the safe side. I don't like, there's some things I don't like to do every time, like fuel stations. I don't like to go there every time, and the rate at which there is always fuel scarcity scare, you know, it just, I don't want to experience it, because guys, it's not easy really.
Give me 1,000.
No.
That is 2,000.
7,700.
What thing is 700? Now,
7,700.
Now, onions?
7,700.
No. They don't go up. Yeah, just 7,700. I see the size.
Nah, like, which size? This small one. This one they plant. Not be this one they plant.
700 naira for you, not be small.
I beg you. Now 7,700.
The guy send money for you. Plenty money do weekend. He didn't in yourself. You come hide the money. What do you want to use and do? Anything what you want, you go send
So I don't get money now. God must send me money.
No. Women get money.
Women don't get money.
Women get money.
See, even your nylon no good. They talk women get money.
Now you talk.
If now women now we get this here, they go put better nylon.
How you doing?
See, I'm close. Who you know say me? Even me, I can't remember myself. Even me. Thank you. I come. Okay, so I just spent 5 now buying this thing. Okay, so I'm taking this one, guys. And this will cost me. So I just finished from the market actually. I'm on my way home. So for the last buy, I spent 5,000 naira. It came out 4,950. So I don't think I'm done spending for today because I have to get water for the house when I get home. And I'm also supposed to get chicken. I was supposed to get chicken here in the market here, but I need to call the lady that we buy chicken from, a lady that has a farm. I buy chicken from her. I need to call her.
3 hours later.
Hey guys. Are you not wearing it? You are wearing it though. Bye guys. Jina. What's doing?
My phone.
Ife, bye. Are you with them? Really? So this is later, and we're on our way to the airport. I'm actually I'm not dropping him, he's going to drop himself, but I'll drive back. So Hobby's traveling. I've said it so many times, I'm going to say it again. Hobby's traveling for work. Hobby is a builder. So I'm going to be leaving the video that I did with him, showcasing his work, so you guys can go see this property is awesome. So you guys can go see.
Okay. Thank you.
I just dropped off Hobby, and so far I've just spent only 200 naira. That's the gate fee when you're entering airports here in Abuja. If you're driving a car, is 200 naira. I think if you're driving a jeep, it's 500 or 400 or 300. I can't remember, between 300 500. Because one day I took Hobby's car to come and pick him, guys, and I brought her 200 naira. The guy was like, nope. I was like, how? It's 200 that I pay. And he said no, that jeeps are, even though they wrote it there, but my mind, because I'm used to using my car to go pick him, so I didn't just, you know, think about it so much. I hope I don't spend any of that money today, really, because guys, money to spend money that they finish for this life. The moment you just step out of your house, somehow money things just come up. But let's see how it goes. Even though in my head I'm already thinking about something important I'm supposed to buy. I told you guys about how I was supposed to buy something for my facials, the ordinary product. So I'm about to spend about 20k or like between 16 to 20k for my facials, guys. Hey, Jesus, I can't even, the way I said it now, it's like big money. Oh Jesus. Hey. So look out. But that's me, girl, that's me. I was saying 200 naira is the only money that I'm going to spend today. I forgot I was supposed to buy fuel in my jerry can for generator, because since yesterday we've not had light. And wow, just one day, see all the money I've been spending, whether little, small ones, big ones on this airport road. Let me know if I'm the only one that is noticing it, whether you're going to airport or just traveling. I've just noticed that bikes drive the other way. Like I'm going this way, bikes are coming towards me, guys, and cars, even some cars. I don't understand, is it the norm in this part of Abuja, or it's just today I'm noticing it? Because it's somehow
Eventually.
So I just freshened up a bit. I don't know what it's to me, but I wanted to show you guys the last thing that I got today. Hola. So I wanted to show you guys the last thing that I got today. I actually got 3 things, I mean 4 things. I was supposed to get 4 things, guys. My hand was just doing to pick. When did I call the price? The way I flung, I got this. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow with pure cocoa butter. Restores dry skin to reveal its natural glow. And I realized that this one actually comes in 2 types. Before we used to think they had the fake and the original, but this one comes, they have the intensive care and they have the total moisture. The intensive care, according to the lady that I don't know whether she's a cosmetologist or she's a dermatologist, but she was like, because I asked her to explain, she was like, intensive care is for those people that have sensitive skin, while total moisture is for those that don't have like normal skin. My kids have sensitive skin, so I got it. But this is not the actual one I wanted to get. I actually wanted to get the white one, the one that has white and pink cover. That one is the even tone, or the other one, the yellow one, the pure. They have like different shades of yellow, but that yellow, beautiful yellow one. But they were quite no, when I, guys, let me not even lie, like I did penny wise, pound foolish, because that was 2K. I actually wanted to get 2 of this one, but I was like, let me just get this one. Like there's this kind of stinginess, this kind of acagum that did me this night. I don't know why I went to go and buy this. Not as if it's not good, but that's the even tone one is the one that really, like, it's really nice on my kids' skin. It really makes them like glow. Like when they say person they glow, no be all those, you know, no be all those glow. They'll say it's glow. You know, there's some things that are glow, but they'll be saying glow. It's not glow with pride, it's glorify. Anyways, so but this one is still okay. It's not as if it's bad, but that one is like, you know, the baba. And then I got this. Normally my kids and I use PS baby oil. I always buy it because I love like mixing our creams with oil. We have really dry skin. I and my kids, we have really dry skin. My face is oily, my skin like from here down dry. So I like to mix my cream with oils. It just makes me know that, you know, since I'm okay. So I got this one, and I got this one for 800. This is the Cousins baby oil, chamomile oil. It's just almost the same size with the pears oil, and I got this one for 800, which was, to me, was quite expensive, but then the dollar don't increase. So last but not the least, I got the ordinary. Finally, the ordinary niacinamide 10%, zinc 1%. Well, as I'm looking at this thing, I'm feeling like it's not it that I actually wanted to buy, because fam, I won't even lie. Let me even see. This one is the big one. No wonder it was expensive. No wonder. Can you guys see? This is the big one. The one I actually use is smaller, and that one this one I actually got it for I got this for 9K. You know, no wonder. And the pack was even bigger. I was even saying, these people, I mean, this one would last me really. It's just like buying 2 in 1. So this is the normal size of the one that I have. Like this, I have this size in this lactic acid, and I also have it in niacinamide. So can you see the difference? This one is bigger. So I spent 10,800. I spent 10,800 naira just for these 3 things. Just for these 3 things. Guys, I spent quite a lot of money today, I won't lie, for a housewife, you know. But I wanted to let you guys know, let me even clear the air. For those that are going to be saying, hey God, when, or those that are going to be judging me and say, waiting this one they feel like, Shana, your business, Sha, but first of all, I'm married, so my hubby supports me. Most of the money I spend is not mine, so nobody should come and start feeling like I'm not, you know, I'm not meeting up, or my mates, I see my mates, they spend money. If you think like that, you enter inside gutter. Please don't think like that, though. Please, I have a husband that is supporting me. Maybe if it's only me that is supporting myself, I feel not even they do half of waiting, you know, I'm doing now. So please don't think like that. Like this video my friend sent to me,
or some unwarrantedly my sweet strawberry plantain. How was your day today?
Anyways, Ola is actually shaking, so I have to lower my voice. Yeah, so today I actually spent let me end this video here, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed my video. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you're actually a spender or you're a saver, like you can stay, like before you bring up money to spare. All this akanchi, not in a bad way. And I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next vlog, till then.
Asked the question, then you said it. Always saying things you'll regret.